beautiful people, it's Courtney. I am back today with a super exciting restock. I wanted to do another themed restock because you guys loved my Harry Potter theme. I'm gonna have to do like another one, I feel like, because it was so much success and you guys were like going crazy over it. So today I wanted to do something similar. So I'm doing a childhood themed restock. So these are gonna be your favorite childhood characters or just different things that might remind you of your childhood. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before you skip into it, I do have a giveaway for you guys. So with all of my restocks, I want to give away my new restocked slimes. So for this one, I am going to have one winner again, and they're going to receive a 4 ounce of every slime in this restock. And it's going to be super easy to enter. These are usually my rules for like all my giveaways. So if you're entered once, you're entered for all of them. So all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and my vlog channel and stay interactive. Just keep on commenting, liking, sharing with your friends. The more active you are, the more likely I am to see your name and choose you as the winner. So this is going to be running until October 27th, so a week from today. And I think I'm going to alternate. This time I'm not making Instagram a mandatory entry, but I will have extra entries on there if you want to go enter more and have more chances to win. Same rules, follow both of my Instagrams and stay interactive and you will get even more entries. The more I see your name everywhere, the more likely you are to win. So that's what we're doing for this giveaway. Super, super easy. All the rules and links to subscribe and follow and all of that are going to be linked in the description box, and I'll make a pinned comment that you could find all the rules on there as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this restock, and also let me know what other themes you would like to see next in the comments down below and what type of slime is your favorite. I've been restocking a ton of cloud slimes because it seems like you guys love them. So I want to know what other slimes you guys really love as well too. So let me know that, and let's get into this restock. This very first slime is a SpongeBob themed slime, so of course it's called BFF, Best Friends Forever, and so it's a pink slime like Patrick Star, and then it has some yellow accents and a SpongeBob charm. So it comes with like yellow foam beads and pom-poms, so you could take out the pom-poms if you like, and just kind of use them to decorate your slime because it comes with a few of them, or you could just leave them in the slime. They might fall out, they tend to stick in pretty well though, but this is a cloud slime and it fluffs up really nice, and it's a really nice soft fluff. I don't know, it has a really nice texture to it. It's scented like bubblegum. Now the first 20 people who order this slime will receive the SpongeBob charm with it, and that's going to be the case for all the slimes in this video that have a charm. So get there early. All of the 8 ounces that I have in stock do come with charms, and then half of the 4 ounces come with charms. So I decided to do it that way. So the first 20 you'll get the SpongeBob charm, and otherwise there's about 30 of this slime. So if you're like the last 10, you'll just get the slime itself. So I wanted to throw that out there as well, and that's going to be the case for all of these slimes. This next slime is a Lilo and Stitch inspired slime, and it's called Ohana. It's this light blue clay slime, so it's not quite a butter slime, but it has quite a bit of clay in it, so it'll hold its shape really well, and it's nice and thick and great for poking, and it has a ton of blue glitter and blue foam beads in it. Now this one is scented really sweet like candy and hints of bubblegum. It's just really nice, kind of like a childhood scent of just candies. And again, the first 20 with this will receive a Stitch charm with it. This one there is 27 slimes, so all of the 8 ounce slimes will come with a Stitch slime, so get there early if you want a 4 ounce with a Stitch charm. So yeah, this is this slime, great for bubble pops, really nice and fluffy. Next, we have a Tinkerbell slime, and this is called Fairy Dust. This is definitely my favorite out of all of the slimes in this restock. It's so beautiful. It's topped with a ton of glitter and gold leaf in it, and it comes, for the first 20 people, you'll get the Tinkerbell charm with it. So again, same thing with the charms, but this is scented like apple, and this is, of course, as you could see, a cloud slime. This one has an amazing drizzle. It fluffs up so nicely, very similar to the last one, the SpongeBob one. This one has a more consistent drizzle, I would say, and it just fluffs up so easily. I absolutely love it. This one, again, like I mentioned, is my favorite. I've been obsessed with cloud slimes lately, so I really like this one a lot. I love all the colors, and it just brings me back to like Peter Pan and my childhood. Of course, I couldn't leave out Frozen, so this one is called Olaf's Snow Day, and I absolutely love the texture of this one. So it comes with, it's like dipped in iridescent glitters, and then it has a bunch of snowflakes on top and some more of the like iridescent confetti glitter chunks. And this texture is one of my favorites. So this is like a very thick marshmallow slime. It's very similar in texture. It's the exact same recipe that I use for my cake batter slime in my permanent collection. So if you enjoy that texture, this one is just as nice. It's just like a different theme, but it's definitely one of my favorite textures ever because it's very holdable. It's great to play with like on a table or a desk or just to hold without being too messy, yet it makes amazing bubble pops. So I love that combination. It just works really nicely together in my opinion, and it's scented like Christmas trees, which is my all-time favorite scent. Next, we have Mickey's Birthday. So this one is covered in glitters on top and faux sprinkles. So definitely don't eat it, even though this looks like delicious. This reminds me of like cake batter or cookie dough. Just so good. And it is scented like birthday cake, and everyone who orders this slime will get the Mickey charm. All of them do come with the charm, and this is like a cloud dough texture. It's kind of, it has a little bit of drizzle to it, but it's also a very unique like doughy texture. It's really like soft and holdable. It reminds me a lot of like a cloud dough. So it's like a cloud, it's a mixture between, I would say, a cloud dough and a cloud slime, but it makes a really nice texture that's really different. So this one is fun. It reminds me of like cookie dough. Like I said, I just want to eat it, but definitely not edible. And last but not least, I have Tiana's Jewels. Now, this one is really a unique texture for me. I don't do like slushy or fishbowl slimes that often. So this has some slushy beads in it and green fishbowl beads, and it has this beautiful like gold pearl finish to it when it catches the light. It's really pretty, and the smell is really hard to put my finger on, but it's like a very fruity, floral, just a really nice light scent to it, and I just love the colors. It's still in the process of clearing up. It has a little more clearing up to do, so by the time it gets to you, it will be as clear as it's gonna get because it does have scent in it, so it will stay a little like this milky, cloudy texture, but this is really fun, great for bubble pops, and this is a texture that I don't have in stock very often, so if you like these slimes, definitely now's the time to get one. guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are part of my hashtag Tinkerbell squad. You can leave that hashtag in the comments down below and it'll be our little secret for everyone who makes it to the end of the video. I've also been vlogging a ton, so definitely make sure to subscribe to my vlog channel, go check it out, show it some love, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Bye!